Hello guys, it's freezing cold and it's in the rain, but I have to show you this Ford Mustang GT. It's been fully mount tuned and there's a lot of extras on it that I'm going to go through with you in a second. This car has so many extras that I actually have my phone with everything on because it's got so many, and I'm going to run through a few of them now with you. First of all, exhaust notes. So you can press the button to open and close the exhaust on this vehicle, which is insane. So it's got diamond bright paint, alligators, wheel spacers, rear spoiler, obviously the exhaust system that we just went through, which is stainless steel big bore, US spec low grille, hood scoop, coilovers, rocket winglets, cold air intake, quarter side scoops, and Mountuned. This car isn't going to hang around for long. Give us a call at D9 Cars and we're happy to go through with you.